In this video, you'll see a flashpoint test of n-Propyl bromide. For years, people have been saying that n-Propyl bromide has a flashpoint. Well, with this video, you will be able to see for yourself if there is a flashpoint for n-Propyl bromide or not. First though, you're going to see a flashpoint test of trans dichloroethylene. Trans is a halogenated solvent, much like n-Propyl bromide, and it should behave in a flashpoint test very similar to n-Propyl bromide if there is indeed a flash. After the flashpoint test of trans, we'll do a flashpoint test of n-Propyl bromide. Both tests will be time-lapse because a flashpoint test is like watching paint dry. It's extremely boring. You have to wait about a minute before each test, and as a result it's extremely boring. So for your sake, we're going to just show you clips of when the test was actually performed. So here's a video of the flashpoint test of trans. Before the test, the flashpoint unit was placed in a freezer to cool the system down. It typically gets to about minus 20 C, and let's see how it goes.
Next flash, minus 14. And let's just show the computer. You can see the two plots of the liquid and the vapor. And then you have the plot of everything here. Let's put everything on screen. Here's the start of the reaction. Let's go back. Here's minus 13, and there was a flash. And if you look at the computer, let's turn the clock off. You can see the vapor temp here went up from minus 8 to 2 degrees, indicating that yes, indeed, there was a flash. And this indication is absent in all tests I've ever conducted with nPB. And that was a flashpoint of trans.
Now that we've seen trans flash, let's see if we can get it to flash multiple times at elevated temperatures above the original flashpoint. Let's see what happens.
Minus 5. Minus 4. Minus 3. So obviously it flashed. Let's just look at the data on the computer. Here you can see it was a start, the room temperature. The thermocouples were put in the unit. Here's the first flash, second flash, third flash, and all the flashes that we saw.
Now that we've seen what a flashpoint looks like, let's see if we can get n-Propyl bromide to flash.
Okay, it reached 16.3. It's the coldest temp. Obviously no flash. 16.0. Minus 15. That was minus 14. Minus 13. Minus 12. Minus 11. Minus 10. minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, puts the flame out. Here's minus 4, here's minus 1. You can see the flame go out, kind of dances at first and then gets put out. Here's 0. Here's 1. Here's 2. Here's 3. Here's 4. Here's 5. Here's 6. Unfortunately, this is going to stop. I'm going to have to replace the battery in a second. I'll probably do it after 7. Here's 7. And I'm going to replace the battery as quickly as possible. And here's 8.2. Here's 9. Here's 10. Here's 11. Here's 12. Here's 13. Here's 14. Here's 15. Here's 16. Again, it just puts the flame out. Here's 17. Here's 18. Here's 19. Here's 20. Again, it just puts the flame out. Here's 21. Here's 22. And here's 23. Nice and slow. You can see, whoops. You can see that the flame maintained itself for a little while, but eventually went out. I'll just repeat that again. Go nice and slow. The flame stays there. You can see it pretty good. It's just burning the vapors. You take it out slowly. You can see the flame still there. When I bring it up, there's just a little bead of blue with just a touch of yellow.
As I bring it closer, the n-Propyl bromide vapors are burning right here. You can see the flame enhancing, but it's just burning of the vapors from the flame itself. Take it away and it extinguish itself. Go closer. The vapors are burning. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but there's a greenish tint to the flame. If I go all the way in, it went out. Okay, filled another file. So let me change the angle here, see if you can look at this and see this a little better. Let me get nice and low here. You can see the flame dance a little better maybe. So that's n-Propyl bromide vapors burning right here. You can see it getting brighter. You can see the flame. It's not even in the cup. It's just dancing above the opening. And it's just the n-Propyl bromide vapors burning off. Let's do that again. You can see it bouncing. It's just almost going out. And then there it went out. Let me do the whole test. Yep, there it goes out. You see how flammable it is. You know, it just puts the flame out like that. No other flammable solvent does this. You can see the green hue maybe from the burning of the n-Propyl bromide. You can see it just dancing now. I'm just holding it right there. But it's not flashing in the cup. There, it's just staying in there. Yeah, it stayed lit. If I do a regular flash point test, it goes out. Well, let's just look at the data on the computer real quick. Let me kind of level this out a little bit for you. Excuse the jerkiness.
Unfortunately, this is the end of the video. The camera's SD card got filled and the video stopped. If you'd like more information, feel free to contact us. I did want to show you the actual data from this run. If you'd like to see it, feel free to check out our video on the topic. If you'd like to see the data, we have a video showing all the data collected on these tests. Thank you for watching.